Good day, Prof. We are from Group 7, and I'm Umaya SFD Director. Our group leader is Koh Tian Sun. Today, we will discuss about our task and all challenges we are facing. Our group consists of 10 members, which is Koh Tian Sun, Tan Wei Jun, Ma Ying Jun, Liu Weisheng, Irfan Pratama, Liu Xiangning, Khadar Ali Osman, Umaya Muhammad Haziq, Meng Yukun, and Qiu Jiai.
Hi, my name is Koh Tian Sun and my metric number is 279186. We are from Group 7 and we have a total of 10 members which are from different countries. So, we'll start our presentation which we will share about our group members' tasks and challenges that they are facing as well. So basically, I'm the leader in this group and my task in this group, which is I'm responsible to make objective of the study in this assignment and to compile all of the information done by the group members. As a leader, during my task, the challenges that I face are communication in the group. It is because some of the members, they are not Malaysian, so they didn't have a Malaysia phone number. Apparently, I can't call them if anything urgent. Hence, I can just wait for their message reply in social media application. Sometimes, if we write and explain everything in chat, some of the members are confused and not clear about the instruction. Therefore, there will also a problem while distribute the assignment task for group members. But after I figure out the solution, which is there's online calling services in our social media application, we can call to each other for free even though our members are not in Malaysia, which they are in other country. This was help a lot in our communication, especially while we have a group discussion. We can direct discuss together in the group, and if there is any question, we can ask on the spot. Finally, this problem has been solved and everyone has understand their task. On the other hand, for my part in assignment, which is objective of the study, so I have to understand the purpose for this research in our group. So I have discussed with my group members, and at last I have successfully summarized the two objective study in this research. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tan Wei Jun. My metric number is 277541. I'm going to talk about challenges I deal with while completing my assignment for this subject. The first challenge I deal with is my internet problem. My Wi-Fi internet has a little bit problem because it's quite slow and unstable for these few days. And I was having hard times in completing my assignments. Really hard to discuss and search information for my slides. I deal with this problem most of the time while using applications such as WebEx Meeting, not only in completing my assignments, but also while having my classes. The second challenge I deal with is discussion made with group members. Discussion only can be made through online due to COVID-19 pandemic, and we were unable to share information about our assignments clearly and efficiently because some of our group members does not have strong and stable internet access at their places they're currently staying. And we were having hard times in communication because it is quite hard to communicate through online. So we just keep each other updated by messaging through WhatsApp. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello. There are three challenges in the research on marine environmental damage. First, referencing our sentences to avoid plagiarism. It was so challenging to provide an original paper on the marine environmental damage. Avoiding plagiarism was difficult since I had to spend my time by referencing the information that I obtained online. Second, difficulty in discussion with the members of the group. Members of the group had different ideologies on the topic of discussion. It was difficult to agree on a common conclusion. Last, lack of access on the required literature. There are various articles online discussing the marine environment damage. It was easy to choose the most appropriate article to obtain information from.
Good afternoon, doctor and everyone. My name is Liu Weishen, metric number 27XX. So the challenges that I face when doing assignment is distraction. The way of doing assignment at home and in school campus have a huge difference. As an online student, classroom is often at my home, and this distraction may seem nearly impossible to avoid. For example, social media, texting with notification and the temptation to respond can pull at my attention. So it can be easily distracted by small things when doing assignment at home. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ervan Pratama. Here I want to tell about the experience or challenge I face while doing assignment. Wherever or whenever there are challenges, including doing assignment, ranging from easy challenge to difficult ones. According to the English dictionary, challenges are the situations of being faced with something that needs great mental or physical effort in order to be done successfully and therefore test a person's ability. Here are some challenges when I do the assignment. The first is a lack of knowledge. Sometimes I often experience a lack of ideas or content to write in the assignment. No ideas come out of my head, and this moment makes me dizzy and a little panic. So I think, how can I solve this all? But it is not up to that. Of course, every obstacle or challenge must have a solution, so I try to relearn independently and clarify my doubt by studying from the internet or consultations with my friends. It can make it easier for me to do the assignment. The second is self-confidence. This factor also affects me a lot. Self-confidence is needed, and sometimes self-confidence does not match expectations. I doubt my ability whether I can solve this correctly, but when my mood is good, also my confidence increase and improve, and after that, I will start working on it. The part that I know, I usually do it in the advance, because I think it's better to try and be wrong than not to try at all, because from the mistake it will be a very useful life lesson. Those are some of the factors that I consider quite difficult. Sorry if there is a mistake. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my lecture number is 265579. My name is Lushani. Today, I will introduce how to complete the task. First, we need have the clear goals, logic, and the making plan. Yes. What is my mission? My mission is the philosophy analysis of the Malaysia, say the challenging. And then my challenging is that I can find the information, and then I just quietly it on the internet and integrate, and then as I'm very I'm very happy I found it, and I think this challenging but I'm successful. So I think this very interesting the process. Yes, this might introduce. Thanks for your watch.
Hello, my name is Khadr Al Usman. I want to share here some challenges that I face while doing assignment. There are challenges anywhere and at all times, particularly when completing assignment, ranging from straightforward to challenging. According to the English dictionary, challenge is the condition of being faced with something that requires a lot of mental or physical work to complete, and therefore a person's skill to the rest. When I do the task, I face some difficulties. First is lack of knowledge. I often feel lack of concepts or material to write in an assignment. No idea comes to mind, and this leaves me, days and a little panicked. So I consider how I can solve this problem. However, any problem or dilemma must have an answer. So I try to rely internally to explain my questions, which I can do by learning from the internet or questioning my friends, making the task easier for me to complete. The second factor is self-assurance. This aspect has a significant importance on me. Self-esteem is needed, and when self-confidence falls short of goal, I adapt to my ability to solve the problem correctly. However, when my attitude is healthy, my confidence rises and strengthens, and I begin working on it. I usually do.
Good day, Prof. My name is Umay Muhammad Hasib with metric number 268721. How do I complete my assignment? First, I carefully read the assignment. I must know when the assignment is due date and start working on it well before the due date. Make some note and create a draft outline of the information I need to include in the assignment. It helps me to organize the information so it flows clearly and coherently. And also I discover more articles on the internet regarding my group topic. My task in the group. My group leader already assigned all of us to choose which part we want to do for our assignment. So I choose the methodology part. I'm also the one who do the compilation of our group videos. So I make sure everyone have sent their videos in order for me to do the video compile. What challenge I'm facing while doing my assignment? I'm facing some challenge when doing my assignment, such as lack of reading resources. Didn't go to the coastal areas of Malaysia to see marine litter due to COVID-19 pandemic and also internet problems. Thank you.
After collecting response, we made a summary. So far, there are a total of 42 questions on the form has been answered, of which 61.9% are women, and 38% of them are between 20 to 24 years old, which is 19.5%. With regard to the factor the course remain dabbling, the following conclusions are made. 15 of them strongly agreed with the lack of teaching and knowledge about the importance of ocean cleanliness and the importance of environment. Believe that 47.6% of people believe that the most of marine litter comes from industrial waste. On the other hand, 20 people agreed with the statement of tourist litters in coastal area and 10 people agreed. In addition, more than half of people feel the plastic products are overused. The argument that residents of coastal area are not responsible is controversial. 12 people remain neutral. 15 people agreed and 13 people strongly agree.
Now let's talk about the impact of marine litter in coastal area Malaysia. With regard to the impact of marine debris on coastal areas, the following conclusions are made. 19 of them agree that marine debris should endanger human life. Next, 42.9% of people believe that marine debris will affect the climate temperature. 20 people agree with the statement that marine debris will affect the economy. 40.5% of people agree with the statement that marine debris will destroy the ecosystem, but only 1% does not agree the marine debris can cause natural disasters, and the other remain neutral and agree with this. Finally, 42.9% agree that marine debris destroys the natural habitat.